Chapter 2. Food and Health. A balanced diet. Health and fitness. Diseases. Prevention of communicable diseases. Vaccination. We get food from animals and plants. To maintain our health, we should consume a variety of foods. Our body requires a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough sleep and protection against diseases to stay healthy. A balanced diet. Our food contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. It also contains roughage and water. A balanced diet has the right amounts of all these nutrients. Our body needs all these nutrients in adequate amounts to stay healthy. The following table lists the sources and functions of the 5 main components of food. Function. Sources. Carbohydrates. Provide energy to work and play. Rice, wheat, fruits, sugar, potato, bread, corn. Fats. Provides energy and warmth to the body. Meat, milk, butter, cheese, vegetable oil, ghee, dry fruits. Proteins. Vital for growth and building muscle. Chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya bean. Vitamins and minerals. Needed in small amounts for normal functioning of the body, help to fight diseases and help us stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables, milk, fish, eggs. Along with these 5 main components of food, our body also needs adequate amounts of water and roughage. Nutrients are transported inside of our bodies using water as a medium. It also allows food to pass easily through the digestive system. Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal of wastes from our body. Oats, dalia and corn are some good sources of roughage. Health and fitness. To keep our bodies in shape, we must play outdoor games. If muscles are not used, they become weak and flabby. Our muscles grow and tone as a result of regular exercise. The heart also beats at a faster rate during exercise and blood circulates faster. Exercise helps the nervous system by supplying more oxygen to the brain. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. This means that for a person to be considered healthy, both the body and the mind must be completely fit. The way we hold our bodies when we sit, stand, or move is known as our posture. We must sit and stand straight. We must walk upright. Correct posture gives a graceful appearance to our body. Our body receives the much-needed rest from regular rest and sleep cycles, which helps to relax our muscles. We feel fresh and ready to work again. Diseases. A disease is a state in which a part of the body is not able to function properly. Diseases can occur due to improper diet, lack of rest or exercise, or lack of cleanliness. Deficiency or the lack of particular minerals or vitamins in the body also causes diseases. They are called deficiency diseases. Diseases can broadly be classified into 2 types, non-communicable and communicable. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are diseases that do not spread from one person to another. Some of the non-communicable diseases are caused due to the deficiency of a particular food component. Few deficiency diseases are listed below. Deficiency disease. Caused due to lack of food containing the vitamin mineral. Night blindness. Vitamin A green leafy vegetables, mango, papaya, tomato, butter, milk, fish and egg yolk. Berry. Vitamin B1. Milk, meat, peas, cereals and green vegetables. Scurvy. Vitamin C, citrus fruits, amla, tomato, green leafy vegetables, potato, sprouted grains and pulses. Rickets. Vitamin D, milk and milk products. Anemia. Iron. Dates, apples, bananas, guavas, spinach, brinjal, pulses, jaggery, meat and liver. Goiter. Iodine. Iodized salt and seafood. Some deficiency diseases. Scurvy. Rickets. Goiter. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are diseases that can spread from one person to another. These diseases are spread by microbes or germs such as bacteria, protozoa, fungi and viruses. These germs spread through coughing, spitting or sneezing or unclean water and food. Bacteria cause diseases like plague, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia and meningitis. Protozoa cause diseases like malaria and amoebic dysentery. Viruses cause diseases like the common cold, polio, chickenpox, measles and COVID-19. Fungi cause diseases like athlete's foot, ringworm and several skin infections. Bacteria. Protozoan. Fungi. Virus. Germs enter the body of a person through various ways. A few ways that these diseases spread are as follows: through direct contact with an infected person. The germs that cause the disease are released into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes and can spread to healthy individuals. Many diseases like the common cold, chickenpox, measles, ringworm, whooping cough and scarlet fever spread through direct contact, either through clothing or other articles used by the sick person. Through dirty food and water. Flies are attracted to exposed food and water. Flies and cockroaches carry germs from sewers and contaminate our food and water. Diseases like typhoid, cholera, polio and jaundice spread by eating infected food and drinking polluted water. Milk from diseased cows can also be a source of infection. Through insects. Blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes, fleas, bugs and sandflies are the cause for diseases like malaria, yellow fever, plague, dengue and Kala-Azar. When the mosquito bites an infected person, the microbes are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the microbes are injected into the person's blood, causing the disease. Dengue is transmitted to a person by the bite of an Aedes mosquito that is infected with dengue fever. Malaria is caused by a protozoan which is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito through the air we breathe. The patient's nasal and oral discharge contains germs that can cause illnesses like chickenpox, whooping cough, diphtheria, influenza, scarlet fever and COVID-19. When germs are transferred from one person to another through the air while sneezing or coughing, these diseases can spread. Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented by maintaining good personal and community hygiene. Hygiene may be defined as practices that help to ensure cleanliness and good health. Following are some steps to maintain good hygiene. We should eat clean and healthy food. Always use clean utensils and clean hands when eating. We should not drink unclean water. Drinking water should be kept in clean and covered utensils. Additionally, water filters can be used to purify the water. We should not allow water to collect in and around our homes. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Rooms should have wire screens. Breeding of flies must be prevented in or near your house as they pollute your food and water and act as carriers of disease. We should throw garbage in dustbins. We should not allow garbage to collect in dumps. Drains must be kept covered. We should stay away from infected people as much as possible. Germs of certain diseases stay on articles like clothes, combs, towels and toys used by a patient. All such articles, including the linen and clothing, must be disinfected or boiled to kill the germs. Houses should be airy and open. Natural disinfectants include sunlight and fresh air. Mattresses, linen and clothes should be exposed to sunlight from time to time. Pasteurization renders milk free of bacteria. The milk is heated at a high temperature for at least half an hour and then cooled down quickly. This kills harmful bacteria. Regular cleaning and disinfection of restrooms and toilets is required. The floor and the walls of the room must be sprayed with a disinfectant. Kitchens must be free from insects. Washing hands. Using a mosquito net. Cleaning house. Vaccination. Progress in the field of medicine and immunization have helped us to get rid of many diseases. Some communicable diseases can also be prevented by vaccination. Vaccination is the use of special substances called vaccines to prevent specific diseases. It safeguards us by developing immunity to specific diseases. Most vaccines are given to children when they are young. There are vaccines available for diseases like diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles, mumps, meningitis and hepatitis. We must get ourselves vaccinated as a protection against these diseases. There are national programs to eradicate communicable diseases. We can maintain our health if we take care of ourselves and our environment. Synopsis. Our body requires a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough sleep and protection against diseases to stay healthy. Oats, dalia and corn are some good sources of roughage. Correct posture gives a graceful appearance to our body. Diseases can broadly be classified into two types, non-communicable and communicable. Communicable diseases are spread by microbes or germs such as bacteria, protozoa, fungi and viruses. Communicable diseases are caused by germs and may spread through air, infected food and water, direct contact or insect bites. Communicable diseases can be prevented by maintaining good personal and community hygiene. Most vaccines are given to children when they are young. Proper hygiene and vaccination prevent the spread of communicable diseases.